Hey there! Here's how to search for content inside a video using Story Toolkit AI. To enable video search on your own footage, you first need to index it. Click on the Ingest button. Select the video file. Unless you want to transcribe audio, disable the Transcribe Audio switch. Head over to the Video tab and make sure that the Index Video switch is on. Then press Start. Wait for the indexing to complete. This depends on how fast your machine is. Once the indexing is done, you just need to hit Search, select and open the transcription JSON file, and now search for anything that you can describe with words. You'll get the closest matching frames with their time codes and the name of the file. If you want to get more results, just add the number in square brackets before your search query. You can even search for text that's visible in the frame, or complex concepts. That's it.